Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on Xiaomi 14 Ultra. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and click on Manage your Google account. Now scroll down to your Data and Privacy tab, and here scroll down and click Delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your password, and here you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes, then click Delete account. And your Google should be now deleted, so let's open Google Play Store for example, and then click Sign in. Now you have to enter your email address, then click Next, and as you can see my account is deleted, so let's click Next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password. And now as you can see my account is recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.